Okay, we're on day 3, and as you can see, this was that first feeder we used that yesterday. It was half full on this side over here, but this side was fairly empty underneath. We put the bale in a different direction this time. The first time we put it in at an angle on this one, and the side that we leaned towards was where we got all this from. So looks like it's still full. There's still a lot of hay in the top, which is cool because normally they eat the top of the bale, leave everything in the bottom till last. So it looks like they're actually working on what has fallen inside. I'm still very impressed with what little bit we have outside. Remember, this area right here was from us in the beginning. So really the only, after 2 bales of hay, the only hay that they've tracked out is right here, and that is very minimal compared to what we were losing. So far this test is going really good. Okay, we're still on day 3. This is the other feeder that we put out yesterday with the bale placed flat side down. I would say it was an utter fail. Look at the hay waste on the ground from 1 bale of hay. So, and the core stayed right in the center as we expected, placing it that way, and they're having trouble. The bigger cows are reaching it, but that core staying in the middle. But it looks like the hay came off too easy, overflowed the bottom, and we have a lot of waste on the ground from placing it that way. And this was just 1 bale of hay compared to the other one that's already had 2 bales of hay in it with the hay placed the other way. So now we know which way to place the hay bale, and our next test that we do will be 1 bale of hay through this feeder and 1 bale of hay through our side skirt tartar feeder, just to see the actual difference. And we will be weighing the results of what is wasted so that we know for sure the percentage of hay that we're wasting. Stay tuned. This is still day 3, later in the afternoon. This was the one that we placed flat side down in the feeder. We still got a pretty good bit of waste, as we saw a while ago, but they did end up eating the core out the middle, which is something we were concerned about, but they sure have eaten this bale down since yesterday. We're still on day 3 in the evening time, and I just came to check on the bale of hay that we had put in with the round side down. I see as they've eaten it, it's tilted some, but as you can see, it's a little harder for them to pull, which is good because it's forcing them to go ahead and eat some of the waste that's fallen on the inside. Still very pleased with the outside minimal loss of hay, because this is 2 bales that have gone through this feeder, and that other feeder only had 1 bale through it when we put it flat side down. So definitely helping on the waste.